Now, the expressions here always represent an even positive integer. The expressions here always represent an odd positive integer. Let's just check them. Now, for example, 6q plus 2. When q takes the value 0, 6 into 0 plus 2. So 0 plus 2, which is 2, even. Now, say when q is 5, 6 into 5, 30, plus 2, 32. And 32 is even. Take this. When q is 1, 8 into 1, 8, plus 6, 14, even. Say when q is 3 here, 4 into 3, 12, plus 2, 14, even. So these expressions represent even positive integers. They represent positive integers. They represent even positive integers. Look at the expressions here. Now let's take up 6q plus 5. Say when q is 0, 6 into 0 plus 5, which is 0 plus 5, which is 5, is odd. When q is 2, 6 into 2, 12, plus 5, 17. 17 is odd. Now here, let's say q is 6. 4 into 6, 24, plus 3, 27, odd. When q is 1, or say q is 0, 8 into 0, 0, plus 3, 3, odd. When q is 1, 8 into 1, 8 plus 3, 11, and 11 is odd. So the expressions here always represent an odd positive integer. Positive integers, but odd positive integers. All these expressions represent positive integers. These expressions represent positive integers. These expressions also represent positive integers, while these represent even positive integers and these represent odd positive integers. Now let's see some expressions that may be even or odd, that is, which may represent either an even expression, either an even integer or an odd integer. These expressions here. Now let's check with 3q plus 2. When q is say 0, 3 into 0 is 0, plus 2 is 2. So now 3q plus 2 represents an even integer or even positive integer. Now when q is 1, when q was 0, we got 2 and 2 is even. So 3q plus 2 represents an even integer. Now when q is 1, 3 into 1, 3, plus 2, 5, and 5 is odd. So then 3q plus 2 represents an odd positive integer. Check this. 5q plus 4. Say when q is 3, 5 into 3, 15, plus 4, 19. So when q is 3, this expression is 19. The value of this expression is 19. And 19 is odd, which means 5q plus 4 represents an odd positive integer. But when q is 4, 5 into 4, 20. 20 plus 4, 24. And 24 is even. So then when q is 4, 5q plus 4 represents an even positive integer. So the expressions which we see here represent positive integers, but they may be even or odd. Now 3q plus 2 represents a positive integer which may be even or odd. Now anything here, 5q plus 2, represents a positive integer which may be even or odd. But what about the expressions here? They represent positive integers which are always even. And what about the expressions here? They represent positive integers which are always odd.